In the previous video, we've added the requirement manager has decided about the request. But now we're going to change that. Manager has decided about the request if needed. And we'll add a rule. If manual decision is needed, then manager has decided about the request. Of course, if a manual decision is not needed, we'll have to decide what that means. And it means that the leave request decision will have the value of approved automatically. Now for a manual decision needed, we have to take a look at rules. In this case, we see manual decision needed means too many days leave or some other rule. Let's change the too many days leave to 5 days instead of 1 week. We'll simply regenerate the system. Now a fully functional professional application will be created that includes this new requirement. Let's take a look at a diagram. As you can see, the process diagram has changed rather significantly. And as you can see, a straight-through processing part has been added. Let's take a look at the running application. So let's run the application right now and load in some data. Let's test the application and see if it does what we want it to. Let's start the process, but first try a case of something that is less than 5 days. For instance, 1 day sickness. No email should have been sent. But it is. Let's change that later in the next video. But first take a look at the process when we enter something that is more than 5 days. For instance, a holiday of 1 week. You see that a group task has been added. In this case for the manager. He will either approve or reject it. Let's reject it. As you can see, the email has already been sent. We'll take care of that in the next video.